towards Digha. So yeah, let's start our journey. So we are heading towards Digha. Yep, hi.
रोज का घिसा पिटाई की
So
साइड से
this
है अभी
are the hullors
यहाँ से
which are
निकलने तो
going
फिर
on inside the car.
दादू घुमिয়েছিলাম আমি উঠো দর্শন বলেছিলাম
दर्शन मैंने की কোনটা দর্শন বলছো গো
উঠো দর্শন
भारत दर्शन
दादा अपना फोन हम लोग के हवाले करो रे भैया.
দাদা ফোন যে কোথায় চেপে রেখেছে ভগবান
আমার ফোন আমার this is type of racing car হ্যাঁ
Just look at this. Who is driving it? Just look at this hunk. This is a sports car kind of thing, I think so. I don't know the name. Amazing.
এই গাড়ি চালানো মুশকিল বড় নিচে একেবারে বসে
Amazing. Where are we going?
বিকে
बीचे कौन बीचे बोली
বাবু তোর ব্যাগ দিয়ে ভালো মিউজিক বেরোচ্ছে
এই গাড়িটা বলুন জানো গানটা
আমরা এখন অটো জ্যামে বসে আছি বলি যাও না সোনু
আমরা হ্যাঁ আমরা যেতেই পারছি না বিয়া
45 রুপিস লাগবে
তো গেট বন্ধ আছে
और पपी फेस over here.
यस जो भी चाहो
এখানে তাকিয়ে পপি ফেস দিয়ে দাও একটা
45 रुपए दे दो नो स्मार्ट कार्ड नहीं चलेगा रिकॉर्ड
जिंदगी इश्क पे हाँ और पे हाँ मिटा दूँ या हाली न हम हाली.
about 300 meters a right turn. Now we are exhausted, but we are still excited. What say, Betu?
Yes!
Finally, it's 7 minutes to reach Digha. Oh my god, it's like a dream come true. The hotel Kural of Digha. So let's show you the room. Here to have lunch. Yeah, let's see. We are waiting. We have not yet got our food. So yeah, let's see. So just now we are done with the lunch, and the food quality was extremely bad. Extremely bad. I mean worst. And the service is also worst. So yeah, and yeah, lunch is over. Now we will sleep. We'll have a sweet power nap. So yes, let's see what we'll do after our power nap. Maybe we'll go to beach or something like that. So yeah, till then, bye. So now it's evening and finally we are like out because, like, you know, right, I'm lazy, so when I am asleep I just can't wake up. So yeah, now I have woke up and now it's evening time and now I'm in the garden. As you can see, I'm already in a swing. I'm already on a swing, as you can see. Yes, it's amazing weather over here right now. So yeah, this is the park, as you can see. Well, let me show you the park. Now we are heading towards the beach. And why my camera is like this? Oh my god, I'm looking like some kind of spirit. No ways. Okay, so we are heading towards beach, Digha beach, and the weather is just awesome now. Wind is blowing and amazing. So yeah. The sight out here is just amazing, guys. I just can't show you because both my camera and the nature is not supporting. So yeah, it's dark out here and yeah, there is crowd. It's not a lonely place at all. There is crowd right now. So yeah, just look at this person's face. Oh my god,
She's actually enjoying her trip.
She is in summer vacation now and just look at her face. She is enjoying every bit of it. So we are again here and it's day 2 and we are again here on the beach and it's real sunny over here and it's hot like hell. And yeah, since yesterday I couldn't show you the beach properly, so today let's see, hope for the best. Just see who I have with me. It's my mommy darling and my sister. Yeah, how are you enjoying?
Hello. We are having a lot of fun. Yesterday we were completely wet, drenched because of rain. So today we are hoping it's sunny, bright day, and we are going to beach to have a great sauna bath.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you the beach now. It's amazing view. Wait. So today is the last day of our Digha. I think so this is day 2 only, and day 3 is our Bdayyy kind of a day. So yeah, we are saying bye to beach in our own way by having tea and like singing songs around the beach, sitting over here and enjoying and having a great family time. So yeah, do you want to say anything, baby? What do you want to say?
One with scrub.
What's that?
Scrum and pat.
Okay, come here.
With the rocks and lipstick.
What is she saying? She's saying Greek because I also can't understand. So yeah. And what do you want to say, my Ellie?
Bye. See you again very soon.
Okay. And someone is busy. Someone is busy over there. Do you want to say anything?
Again, the same thing.
Okay, so yeah, that means this shows that we are really sad to leave Digha. Yep, tomorrow is like we are leaving and we are going back to Kolkata. So yes, it seems. I told so yes. Okay. Now I'll be having pani puri.
Here we call it puchka.
Now it's time for cola. In love with this word. Kala khatta, my flavor. So yeah, what were we singing? Let's sing together. Let's sing together. Acha. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हम तो लुट जाएंगे, हाँ बिखर जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.